Hey everyone, it's me Alex and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the Apple MacBook Pro M5 Max chip. It's 14-inch MacBook Pro. And I'm actually so happy to unbox this. I've actually been wanting this for a while. I've been saving up and it's finally here in my hands, so I'm so happy to unbox it here with you guys. This is the M5 Max chip, the fastest chip out there. This is the brand new M5 MacBook Pro. And let's go ahead and open it. So let's go to the unboxing table and I'm so happy to unbox this with you guys. But before we get started, hi, it's anyone new here. My name is Alex Torres. I do helpful technology videos and also some unboxing videos like this. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. It should help my channel grow. Thank you. So let's get started with the video. So this right here is the box. I'm so excited. This is, again, like I said, the M5 Max chip. So there's the M5, the M5 Pro, and the M5 Max, which is this one right here in my hands. So in the front, you get the front of the box or the product. On the side, it says Apple. I'm not going to show this side. It's an Apple logo. It has my pickup sticker, so I'm not going to show that. MacBook Pro and MacBook Pro. So on the back here are the pull tabs. So let's go ahead and do that. Again, as you can see, it says M5 Max chip, 236 gigabytes of memory, and 2 terabytes storage. And here are the Apple pull tabs. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm so excited. Oh, so exciting. Let's go ahead and open the bottom one. There we go. And let's turn this around and open it up. This is the most expensive Mac that I've bought, so I'm so excited to do this video with you guys. And yes, I am excited. That's why I sound excited. Let's go ahead and lift the lid. And there is our MacBook Pro M5 Max chip, if I said that right. So here is our pull tab to lift up our MacBook. Wow, this is nice. There it is, Apple. We'll come back to this right now. Let's go over what's in the box first. We have our MagSafe charger for our Mac. We have the instructions booklet, which has MacBook Pro. Oops. And it shows you how to turn it on and inside the device. And no more Apple stickers. It no longer ships with Apple stickers. And the 96 watt charger. So this is the 96 watt, which is the biggest one out there. We can confirm right there, as you can see. Oh, I thought it does. Yeah, right there, 96 watt, if it focuses. So let's go ahead and unwrap the computer. Let's go ahead and move this box out of the way to make more room. Oops. And let me just, so let's go ahead and remove the plastic on the computer. I'm so excited. Oh, they got stuck. Here's the computer. And here is the main event. So let's go ahead and pull off our wrapper right here. Oh, wow. Wow, what a nice feeling to open a brand new computer. Let's go ahead and set it down, and I'm actually going to go ahead and turn the, my hands, and turn the camera so we can see when it first opens. So let me go ahead and do that so we get that good view. Or actually, before we go ahead and turn the camera, let me show you around the computer first since we're already here. We have our MagSafe, 2 USB-Cs, headphone port. We have some vents right here for the computer. MacBook Pro on the bottom. And on this side, we have the HDMI port, USB-C, and SD card reader. So now let me go ahead and turn the camera to show you the good the first time opening this computer. I'm thinking of a good view. I'm thinking right here. Let's go ahead and do this together. Let's go ahead and open it up. Wow, very nice. Let me go ahead and open this and pull off our plastic here. Very nice display. And the keyboard is already on. As you can see, the backlight is on back there already. And I'm not going to go through the whole setup process because I do need to have my current Mac right here. So let's go ahead and press on continue. English. And I'll just continue the setup right here. So this right here is the computer. Oops. We have the keyboard.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
There's Siri talking already. As you can see, that's the keyboard, the big trackpad, and the amazing display. So as you can see, the quality is very nice. I'm so excited. English, United States, and then I'll have to connect bring my old Mac near. But that's pretty much it. This was the unboxing of my MacBook Pro M5 Max chip. I'm super excited for this device. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye!